Hello, this is Pat from Pine Lake Parts in Plainwell, Michigan. Today I'm going to start up a 1958 Evinrude 18 horse. Really nice condition, electric start, uses a pressure fuel tank. Under the hood, very clean. It's had the lower unit rebuilt, the carburetor rebuilt, the ignition plate rebuilt. Should be good for many years of service. It's also had the key switch adapted. Or the start adapted from a harness to a key switch for the long shaft tiller, or short shaft tiller, I mean. So anyway, I've got tiller handle in the start position. Motor is in neutral. I don't have to pull the choke out because you can push the key in and choke it. Pressure tank's been pumped up, so I'm going to start her up. Cold, got lead speed. We're going to put it in forward gear. Nice smooth power. Very clean motor. This setting here in middle speed is about a quarter of a turn after the speed is going leaning out, turn it back to going third on the speed. Seems pretty good now. Anywhere down, see. Still lean speed. I'm at the end of my adjustment there. See, very good looking motor. Exhaust fan's loud. So any questions, give me a call or take a look at it on our website. Website is pinelakeparts.com, and you can call us at 855-313-3280 toll free. Thanks.